हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल यू गाइस. माय फैंस ऑन बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैं अपने रूम में शूट कर रही हूँ एंड इट्स रियली हॉट. सो प्लीज़ बेयर विथ मी. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द फर्स्ट थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट इज़ आई एम रियली सॉरी. हर वीक 2 वीडियोस जाता है बट लास्ट वीक आई वॉज ओनली एबल टू अपलोड 1 वीडियो. घर में इतना काम चल रहा था एंड एवरीथिंग, सो आई couldn't record it, so I'm really sorry for that. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, then my name is Ananya. I would really like you to go and check out my other videos because I know you're gonna love them. Just give it a watch. Yeah, so I have a video called top 5 favorite lipsticks video, and you guys seem to love that video, so I thought why just not do the top 10 one. And here I have my top 10 lipsticks which I wanted to share it with you. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. The first lipstick that I'm gonna talk you about is this one from the Lakme 925 range, and this is the weightless matte mouse lip and cheek color. So this is a two-way lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick. You can use this as your blush too. It is really pigment and it is like a mousse. And let me just give you a swatch of how this shade looks. This is in the shade Coffee Light and this is how it looks. I think the camera is focusing. Yeah, you can see this is how the shade looks. I love this shade. I'll just give you a close-up swatch so that आपको हर कलर एंड एवरीथिंग अच्छे से दिख जाए. दिस इज़ रियली कंफर्टेबल ऑन लिप्स. इफ़ यू नो मी, इफ़ यू बिन फॉलोइंग मी फ्रॉम अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम, यू मस्ट नो दैट आई डोंट वेयर लिक्विड लिपस्टिक बिकॉज बहुत हेवी होता है मेरे लिपस्टिक के लिए एंड मैं उसको बहुत टाइम तक कैरी आउट नहीं कर पाती. बट दिस फार्मूला इज़ क्रेजी. आई लव दिस फार्मूला. इट्स सुपर मैट बट एट द सेम टाइम इट्स रियली कंफर्टेबल. दिस रेंज में अनदर लिपस्टिक विच आई लाइक एंड द शेड इज़ रोज टच. This is my second lipstick that I'm gonna show you. This is again from the Lakme 925 range and the formulation and everything is same, and this stays in your lips for a really long time until and unless आपने कुछ खाया नहीं हो. अगर आप कुछ खा रहे हो then this is the shade, this one. and अगर आपने कुछ खाया है तो obviously it will wear off from the middle. So मेरे लिए to reapply a lipstick is not a big issue for me, but if it's a issue, so you have to look out for it. It does stay in your lipsticks it does stay in your lips for a really long time and it doesn't smudge. So that is what I really like about this lipstick because liquid lipsticks, you know, because आप जब normal lipstick लगाते हो like bullet lipstick, it does smudge and that is not a really good scene. So let's go into the third lipstick, and that is this one. This is the NYX lip cream professional makeup soft matte lip cream, and this is in the shade Monte Carlo. Every time I wear this shade, everyone is gonna ask me ये कौन सा shade है, ये कौन सा shade है and ये कौन सा shade है. By the way, you will be really like surprised to know that this is the single red shade I have with me. और बाकी मेरे पास जितना lipstick है there are like nude, brownie, browns, pinks ऐसा है, and this is the single red shade. So if you have any recommendations for me like to try new lipsticks, then let me know down in the comments below. I'll surely check it out. And this one, this shade is so good, you guys. Let me give you a swatch. I'm not, really not very good at swatch, but yeah, this is how it looks, and I love how this shade looks. I like the formulation and everything. It is really beautiful. It is really nice, but the only thing with this is it does fades away jaldi, like 3 to 4 hours में ये फेड हो जाता है, this NYX lip cream. So yeah, that is the only thing I don't like about this lipstick. If you have just clicked on this video, then don't worry you guys, you will get your shade here. I have so many different shade range, so you will definitely get your shade here. So if you're watching this video, then continue watching, right? The shade Never Nude, this is from Wet n Wild, and ये कौन सा collection है उनका, bullet lipstick, and I really love this shade because it is totally nude. ये totally मेरे lip shade का है. This is how it looks. It is a so really nice lipstick for everyday use. अगर आप डेली आप अपने कॉलेज जा रहे हो एंड यू आर कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल, यू आर स्कूल, तो मैं तो मेरे स्कूल में अलाउ नहीं था. आई डोंट नो अब आज तक कोई स्कूल में लिपस्टिक्स पहनना अलाउड है कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो दैट, बट college में you can definitely wear a lipstick, and this is a really nice pinky nude shade. Eye makeup है and everything, this shade is gonna give you a class. I just the only thing I don't like about this lipstick is this is really not very comfortable on your lips. And this is another NYX lipstick. This is a powder puff lippy, and I this is in the shade this is in the shade, yeah, this is in the shade Cool Intentions. I love this shade. I love this shade. You must have seen this in my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, I have showed this shade on Instagram too, how the shade looks. If you can see, I'm gonna give you a close swatch so that आप सारे shades देख पाओ. Don't worry about that. Really nice brown nudie color. It doesn't stay for in your lips for a really long time, but it is a very nice color, brown nude. You should definitely give this a try. It is for everyday use. Like आप ऐसे ही जा रहे हो कहीं पे, you just put it, and it is really good for college going girls. You will love this shade. Give it a try. If you are into brown nudes and everything, do give this a try, but do remember you have to reapply it because it is a puff. It is not that pigmented. Keep that in mind. It is let's quickly jump into the star of the show. Yeah, this is the star of the show. This is the Nicka K True Matte lipstick, and I just recently got this lipstick, and this is in the shade Turkish Rose. This is a very popular shade, and let me just give you a swatch of how this shade looks. And this is how the shade looks. It is a really nice mauve shade which you will love. It does stay in your lips for a really long time, but the only problem with this is it is a little bit dry. अगर आप अपने lips पे लगा रहे हो तो your lips are gonna dry up really quickly, which I hate about liquid lipstick. But this shade is so pretty that apply a really nice amount of lip balm, and then you can apply this lipstick. It is gonna stay in your lips for आराम से 5 to 6 hours. Even if you अगर आप खा रहे हो उसके बाद भी रहेगा एंड आपको टचअप करना नहीं पड़ेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस बिकॉज आई हैव ट्राइड इट. सो definitely gonna love this lipstick, so give this a try. You haven't got this, then you should totally get it. Lipstick that I'm gonna show you is from Maybelline, and this is the Superstay Matte Ink. Everyone has tried matte ink. This has really good peachy undertones, and it is in a thoda darker shade. It is not actually nude. It is gonna suit every skin tone, and that is what I feel. It is gonna look gorgeous on a dark skin tone, and it is gonna look gorgeous on white skin tone too, like lighter skin tone. So let me give you a swatch of how this lipstick is. The lipstick is really nice. It is not at all dry on your lips. That is what I really like about this lipstick. It has peachy undertones. If you can see, it has peachy undertones, and I really love the shade. Forgot to tell you the shade name. This is 225 Delicate, and this does stay in your lips for a really long time. It doesn't dry your lips, so I'll say this is the perfect lipstick for office going girls, because they have to work like for a really long time, not getting any moment to touch up their lipstick and everything, or you're going to a party or somewhere. So this thing is really gonna come in handy if you're gonna use this. So yeah, this is the Smudge Me Not a liquid lipstick from Sugar, and this is in the shade Tan Fan 03. This is pura chatkila pink shade, you know, like let me give you a swatch. मतलब जगह नहीं है और, but then yeah, let me give you a swatch. Yeah, this is a pura deep pink shade, and this is a really beautiful shade, you guys. I'm gonna love this shade. If you know how this looks, this shade is perfect for light skin tones, like for medium skin tones, for dark skin tones. It will suit every type. The shade is so good, and this one is really drying on the lips. Like this one is more drying on the lips than the Nicka K one, so मैं बहुत कम यूज़ करती हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज़ द Maybelline Powder Matte collection, and this is in the shade Almond Pink. Love the shade. Again, I'm gonna say that for every shade because these are my top 10 favorite go-to shades which I reach out to. So I'm gonna give you a swatch of how this looks. Just give me, I'm really bad at swatch if you ask me. This is how the shade looks. If you can see, this is how the shade looks, and I love the shade. It is again a pinkish shade which is gonna look pretty on every type of skin tone, like medium skin tone, dark skin tone, light skin tone. It is a really nudish pinkish अंडरटोन कलर. इसका अंडरटोन इसमें थोड़ा पर्पल है, लाइक या इट हैज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पर्पल इन इट, बट देन you will love this shade. Last lipstick, and this is the 10th lipstick, you guys. Yeah, this is the Nykaa lipstick in the shade Kashi. This is the mini mattes collection. Kashi 19 is a really popular shade. If you don't already know, I'm wearing this shade right now. If you can see, this is I never expected this to be so lightweight. It is so much pigmented, and ये एक ही स्वाइप में ऐसा कलर आया. And this is again a really brownish shade, but I expected, like जैसे शो किया था, it's so brownish. That is not so brownish. मेरे को बहुत जितना ब्राउन हो उतना अच्छा लगता है, and it does stay in your lips for a really long time, so just keep that in mind. So yeah guys, with this I have completed my top 10 lipsticks video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel too. Click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video, and stay tuned guys, because next video is going to be really exciting. If I receive all the products, then it is going to be really exciting. And yeah guys, we soon gonna reach 200 subscribers, तो मैं एडवांस में थैंक यू बोल देती हूँ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पूरा अच्छे से थैंक यू बोलूँगी. सो गाइज, या आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, लव यू.